command. Before you here I stand, my heart is in my hands. It's here that I must be. My heart entreats, just hear those savage beats. Don't put on your cleats and come and trample me. Your heart is hard as stone or mahogany. That's why I'm in such an exquisite agony. My soul is on fire, it's aflame with desire. We just like a smile when we tango. You caught my nose in your left castanet, love. I can feel the pain yet, love. Every time I hear drums, and I envy the rose that you held in your teeth, love, with the thorns underneath, love, sticking into your gums. Your eyes cast a spell that bewitches. The last time I needed 20 stitches to sew up the gash you made with your lash. As we dance to the masochism tango, bash in my brain and make me scream with pain, then kick me once again and say we'll never part. I know too well I'm underneath your spell, so darling, if you smell something burning, it's my heart. Excuse me, take your cigarette from its holder and burn your initials in my shoulder. Fracture my spine and swear that you're mine as we dance to the massacre.